Have you ever wondered what it would be like to handle all your finances right from the palm of your hand without ever stepping foot into a physical bank? No more queues, no more paperwork, just seamless, digital banking. This is the promise of many new financial services, and one name that's been making waves is Neon. But before you can dive into that world of digital convenience, there's one crucial step: opening an account. It seems simple, but what exactly do you need to do it? The requirements, the process, the small details that make all the difference, that's what we're going to break down for you today. So, if you've been thinking about making the switch or you're just curious about what it takes, you're in the right place. The first thing to understand is that Neon operates a bit differently depending on where you are in the world. The company started in Brazil and has also established a presence in Switzerland, so the requirements for each location are unique. For the purpose of this video, we're going to focus on the original Brazilian offering, which is the most widely used and talked about. The good news is, for most people, the process is incredibly straightforward and designed for a new generation of users. So let's get to the brass tacks. What are the absolute essentials? First and foremost, you need to be a resident of Brazil. This isn't a bank for international travelers or expats without a residency permit. This is a bank for Brazilians, and a crucial part of that is having a valid Brazilian tax identification number, or CPF. The CPF is like a social security number, a unique identifier that is a non-negotiable requirement for almost any financial activity in the country. If you're a foreign resident, you'll need to have a permanent or temporary residence visa with a minimum duration of 12 months in order to obtain a CPF. Next, you need a valid form of identification. This could be your Brazilian identity card, RG, or your passport. When you go through the application process in the app, you'll be asked to take a picture of this document to verify your identity. Since there are no physical branches, this is a vital step to confirm you are who you say you are. This process is all done through the app, often with a live video call to an actual person, which is a surprisingly smooth and reassuring experience. They will have you hold up your ID to the camera and confirm your details, a process that takes just a few minutes. Beyond the documents, there are a few other basic eligibility criteria. You must be over the age of 18. Neon also focuses on individuals, the self-employed, and small businesses, so you'll want to be sure your financial needs align with what they offer. They've built their platform to be inclusive, so you don't necessarily need a long credit history to get started, which is a huge plus for many young people or those new to the financial system. The application process itself is completely digital and happens through the Neon app, which you can download from either the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once you have the app, the process looks something like this. You'll fill in your personal information, including your full name, address, and contact details. Then comes the identity verification with your ID and a video call. After that, you set up your login information, and the final step is to wait for your application to be reviewed. The entire process is designed to be as fast as possible, with many users getting approved in minutes. You'll receive an email with your contract number, and your physical debit card will arrive in the mail a few days later. And that's really it. It's a testament to how far digital banking has come. No paper forms, no waiting in line for a bank teller, just a few key documents and a smartphone. So, if you're a Brazilian resident with a CPF, a valid ID, and a desire for a more modern banking experience, opening a Neon account is a pretty simple process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.